Knuckles in an extreme pose, okay? He's going to be kind of kicking his foot out and punching out. It's going to be extreme. Very easy, though, okay? That's something to keep in mind. A very, very easy lesson, so I want you to keep that in mind. It's going to be simple for beginners, okay? Only an 8-minute video, so stay all the way till the very end, and you're going to have this in your long-term memory forever. And that's pretty much it, okay? Let's jump into the lesson right now. Alrighty, let's go over how to draw Knuckles in this extreme pose, okay? So we're going to start with his boxing glove. I'm going to put a line up, down, like a triangle, okay? Curve forward. Looking for the glove over here. Triangle over here on this side. Line over here. Now I'm going to pull a line down and around the corner here for the kind of the back of a glove. Alright, I'm going to pull a line down. Pull a line down. Curve underneath. Now we're going to go over to his face and we're going to try to find the curve of his upper nose right there. Curve around the side for the underneath the eye, right here for underneath the eye. Curve over here. Curve over here. And curve around the corner. Curve around the corner. And right here, we're gonna put like a circle right there for the nose, right? It can also be a triangle, but either way, you know, try to leave a little highlight there. Line here is a little bit mad, right? Knuckles is always mad. I'm gonna go over here. Speaking of that, I'm gonna go to the eyes and I'm gonna pull up at a right angle here, or kind of like a it's gonna pull up at an angle. Down. I'm gonna go over here, up, down. Okay. And now what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna pull a line right here for the arm, back, straight. Okay. Curve a little bit for the shoulder. Pull a line back. It's gonna get smaller as it goes back because it's kind of like perspective, right? That's kind of what we're doing here. Curve around the corner here. Down. Curve in the front. Curve in the front here. Out for the leg. One more thing here though. Out over here for the tail. There's a little kink in that tail. Right there. Now we're going to pull a line over here for the leg. And that's going to get a little bit bigger as it gets front there, right? Okie doke. Line here. Out, out, down. It's going to be the square for kind of that sock area. Curve. Pulling out over here, down for a pretty big shoe. Remember, it's kind of extreme. Down over here, curve over there. So we got these extreme angles, right? Out over here, down, in, line. For his bent leg. And you're gonna see his shoe back here a little bit of the bottom of the shoe back there. Gonna draw another line like right here for the bottom of that shoe. Square for the top of the shoe. Curve, curve. Alright. So let's go to the most important part, his face, okay? Curve line here for kind of the furrowing of that you know, kind of angry look. He's a furrowing of the brow. Line over here for like a U shape. One close over here on this side for the U shape as well. Circle and then dot in the middle. Circle and dot in the middle. line down. Gonna go over here, line down on this side, curve around here, up. For the big old head, he has this big old, like, almost like Darth Vader looking like skull, which is funny. Looks like Darth Vader's hat. Down over here, pull out over here for tendril. Down over here, pull up. Line here, down over here for another one. And then down over here for one on this side, okay? Let's find another one over here on this side. Let's find another line right here for the bottom of the back boot right there to kind of keep it, you know, steady as far as the, you know, kind of the design goes. Curve right here for the brow, curve right here for the brow. All right, and what we're gonna do now is we're gonna draw a thick line around the entire thing, just on the outside, because I want it to look a little bit more like a sticker. All right, there's a little bit more of an extreme pose, so I want it to look a little bit just more contained. Here. Down over here on this side. Right here as well. And again, just trying to make my way around the outside, like as if it was like a shadow, right? Not Shadow the Hedgehog, but as if it was like a shadow. And I feel like I'm missing a certain section here. By the way, don't forget to hit the like button if you like anything Sonic related or Knuckles related. I want to hear your thoughts on what are the poses to draw. I'm trying to find these different poses for Knuckles and Sonic or anybody else from that universe. So just let me know, okay? I'd love to hear it. I'm drawing a couple lines here. And now really I'm just kind of looking at, like, is there any details I could put in here? Maybe a line here at the glove, like on the bottom part, to kind of give it a little bit of flavor, right? Maybe the circles on the top of his Lego, like that Lego piece on top of his shoe. But that is an extreme pose. There you go. All right, and if you want to keep learning how to draw and keep pushing your skills, go right here to this video on here on this side. That video I put because it's the exact same theme as the video you just saw, and it I like it as a bit of a pair. So absolutely go check that out right now. Another short video.